Hey guys, welcome again. My name is Sailesh. You are watching my channel Hinglish Study. Friends, in this video we will talk how we can speak English easily. Friends, in India there are lots of people who knows English. They write English. They read English but they can't speak English. You know why? Because they have no practice. Without practice you can't speak English. So you start practice for speaking English. If you speak English, then your English will be improved. Now you will say, how I can speak English? Because I don't know how to speak English. First of all, you enhance your vocab. Okay? And second thing, you remember 5 meanings per day and start thinking in English. First of all, you think in English. Okay? Don't talk with anyone. You think in English, and what are you thinking? If you are facing problem, then you write on notebook and then go to Google and search it in English. Okay? And third thing, you practice this sentence: upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller. This is very useful sentence. You have not to remember it. You have to practice it. Practice means you have to repeat it again and again. Okay? You have to repeat it 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. When you are in leisure time, you practice it. Not remember it and not said, I have remembered it, I can speak it fluently. Okay? You have not to say it. You have to repeat it. How much you will repeat it, your tongue will be fit for speak English. So you have to speak. So without hesitation you have to practice this sentence, and after 3 months you have to start speaking English through this app. This is very useful app for speaking English. Okay, I'm using this app for last 3 years. So this is very beautiful app, very good app, and you will talk here with beginners and strangers people. They will not know your contact number. You can only talk online. And here people are Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, etc. So you can talk here and improve your English. So you go and talk English. Initially you will face little problem for talking. So you have to note down some questions like, what's your name, where are you from, okay, and how old are you, good morning. You have, first of all you have to note down on notebook and then you start talking. After practicing 1 and 2 months you will be feel better in speaking English. So start speaking English. Thanks for watching. See you again in next video.